Hope you all are doing fine. This is CMA Pradeep Dhyani, your teacher, your mentor. So, guys, many people are asking me a question, and I have seen in social media that same question again and again, asking the same people are asking the same question, that age, whether age is a matter in CMA professional life or any professional life, because a lot of student are working, they have graduated and working in an organization, but they feel the requirement of any professional degree, because for enhancing and growing their career they are in need of professional degree, and they want to enter into any professional course. I am more focusing on our CMA course, so they want to take admission, and they are thinking that whether age is just a number or not. So guys, I will say that age is just a number. Any student who has earlier did the graduation from regular colleges, and they spend his 4 years in regular colleges, so I will suggest that yes, yes, age is just a number. You can come up anytime in CMA professional life. And same thing for those who are working, and they want to take admission and admission in CMA. Yes, you can take, but you need to maintain the discipline. You need to maintain the discipline, punctual in. You need to maintain a combination in work life or in your study life, each and everything. And I will assure that you will clear your CMA life, CMA study also. But most of the working will get a Saturday Sunday off. They, if they want, they can take the face-to-face class. Yes, most of the institute are providing face-to-face classes in weekend, but I will suggest for those do not you have a precious 2 days Saturday Sunday off, so you need to make optimum utilization of Saturday Sunday. So I will suggest that pen drive, you should go with the pen drive classes. Reason is that guys, you have 2 days and you need to maintain an optimum utilization of those particular 2 days. So guys, if you are wasting 2 hours for traveling, if your house is nearby to your coaching, then you should go with the face-to-face class. But if your house is far more away from your coaching, then I will suggest that do not waste the traveling time. You should utilize the traveling time and buy the pen drive classes. So guys, this is the you need to maintain. You can do 1 hour, 2 hour. I have make a study plan for job person also. You can also watch the video. So guys, yes, you need to maintain the discipline. You can do 1 or 2 hour in the morning, or after coming from office. Yes, you need to spend the 2 or 3 hours, and this is sufficient. But you need to utilize the Saturday Sunday, most of the utilization of Saturday Sunday. So guys, yes, this is the I have told whole about the person who was doing job and want to take admission in CMA. So guys, for those students who has earlier did the graduation from regular colleges, and now they are thinking they are not doing any job, and they are thinking that they need to take the admission into the CMA. Yes guys, do not waste the time even a single minute till now. Guys, just take and enroll in the CMA course, and you will see the large impact in your career guys. But I will suggest to both category that before entering into, you should ensure that every person has a different perspective and different opinion. So guys, you need to take the opinion or suggestion from the qualified person, those person who manage in past job and coaching. And if they will, I am sure that they will suggest you positive vibes into your mind, and they will suggest you some positive guidance to you guys. So guys, if you think that I need to make such kind of videos, and you can also suggest me that on which topic you want that I will make a video. Shortly I will make a video on a certain particular topic discussed by you, and you can also suggest me the topic. So guys, hope you clear this. I will hope you will got the answer of your question, that age is just age is just a number guys. If you think and you will spend 1 year, then no need to you are wasting your time, so no need to waste. I will say that immediately you take the guidance from the qualified person, that how they can manage and how they managed, and they can you request that they will suggest you some tips and guidance for you, so you can also manage the job life and study life. And for those who are not currently doing the job, but they have did the graduation from regular colleges, and now they are thinking about to entering into the CMA life. So both classes of people and student, either they're boy or girl, warm welcome by our respected institute, our mother institute. So guys, yes, this course will enhance or grow your career, and this is a good course. You will get a lot of information from this course, and it will enhance and grow your career. So guys, I'm ending this video. You can tell me and suggest me on which particular topic I need to make a video. I will surely make a video. And thank you so much guys. Keep enjoying and keep study guys. Thank you so much guys.